Hello everyone! Welcome to the Next Level English channel. I'm very happy to see you here. I know you're curious about this video, and I guarantee it won't disappoint you. This video will be your starting point for learning English, and if you watch it all the way through, you'll understand why it's the starting point. Enjoy the video. Today, we're going to talk about a special topic. The title of the topic is I'm lazy, but I want to be good at English. Does that sound familiar to you? If so, you're in the right place. Many people think that being lazy is a bad thing. They think you have to work hard to learn English. But that's not true. In this video, I'll show you how to use your laziness. You can use your laziness to be good at English. This is a special method, a method for smart and lazy people. Watch the video until the end. I'll give you a simple secret. This secret makes all lazy methods work perfectly. You will only learn this secret at the end of the video. Let me tell you a story. It's about a man named Alex. Alex is from Russia. Alex had a dream, to learn English and make money. He was getting job offers from many countries, so he needed English. Alex decided to learn English. He bought many books, big books full of grammar rules, long lists of words. Every night, after a long day at work, Alex would sit down at his desk. He would try to study. He would read grammar rules. He would try to memorize words. After a week, he was exhausted. The books were boring, the words wouldn't stick in his head. He felt stupid. If you feel the same way, listen to Alex's story until the end, and you'll understand why. He felt like a failure. Maybe I'm just too lazy. Maybe I'm not smart enough, he thought. So Alex gave up. Learning English seemed too far away. Does this story sound familiar to you? Maybe you felt like Alex. You have the desire, but not the energy. The old way of learning is hard. It was designed for students with plenty of time and energy. It wasn't designed for busy adults like us. It wasn't designed for lazy people. What if laziness isn't the problem? The problem is the method. Alex's problem wasn't laziness. The problem was the method. He was trying to climb a huge mountain in a single day. Of course he got tired. Of course he gave up. Now we've reached an important part of the video. Most people stop watching at this point, but you're still here. That means you're serious about changing your life. And I'm going to let you in on a secret. It's a secret Alex discovered, and it will change the way you think about learning English forever. The big secret is this: stop trying to learn English. Instead, start using English. Sounds strange, doesn't it? What's the difference? Learning is hard work. It feels like studying for a test, like a chore. Using is different. Using it can be fun. It can be easy. You use your own language every day. You're not studying, you're just using it. We need to feel English the same way. Easy, natural, a part of our lives. That's why Alex changed his method. He created 3 new rules for himself. I call them the lazy English rules. Rule 1, the 5-minute rule. Alex stopped studying for an hour. The pressure was too much. Instead, he decided to do something related to English for just 5 minutes a day. Just 5 minutes. Something so easy is impossible to refuse. Some days, he watched short, funny videos with English subtitles on YouTube. Some days, he listened to an English song. He read the lyrics. Some days, he opened an English news app and read a headline. The goal wasn't to understand everything. The goal was to do something every day. It was about engaging with English. 5 minutes isn't scary. 5 minutes is easy. Even the laziest person can manage 5 minutes. This small action builds a powerful habit. The second rule is the 1-sentence rule. Alex stopped memorizing long lists of words. Word lists are boring and quickly forgotten. Instead, he learned just one useful sentence every day. But it had to be a sentence he could actually use. For example, when he started, he learned this sentence. Could you please speak a little slower? This sentence is worth its weight in gold. It's a magic key. It allows you to have a conversation even if your English isn't perfect. Another day, he learned the sentence, what do you call this in English? Another magic key. Now he could learn new words not from books, but from real people. Think about it. If you learn one useful sentence every day, after a year you will know 365 useful sentences. You can say a lot with 365 sentences. You'll be able to handle many situations. This is much better than knowing 3,000 words, but not knowing how to use them in a sentence. The third rule is the smartphone rule. This is my favorite lazy rule. Your phone is with you all day. Let's make it your English teacher, a teacher you don't have to pay. Alex did something very simple. He changed the language on his phone from Russian to English. At first, it was confusing. He didn't know the meaning of the settings or the words he typed, but because he used his phone every day, he naturally learned these words. He didn't try to memorize them, he just saw them over and over again. Every time he unlocked his phone, he saw English. Every time he received a message, he saw English. It was translated into English without any extra effort. While living his life, his phone was teaching him English. These 3 rules changed everything for Alex. He no longer felt tired. He no longer felt like a failure. He was learning English, but it didn't feel like studying. It felt easy. It felt natural. A few months later, something incredible happened. He met a Canadian tourist in Moscow. The tourist was lost. Alex was nervous, but he walked up to him. He used simple sentences. Hello, can I help you? Where do you want to go? He understood his answers. And when he spoke very quickly, magic phrase, could you please speak a little slower? He helped the woman find her way. For the first time, he had a real conversation in English. He felt very happy and proud. His dream was no longer so far away. Now it was beginning. Now, let's go back to the beginning. I promise to tell you one last secret, the one simple rule that makes all these lazy methods work. The 5-minute rule, the 1-sentence rule, the smartphone rule. They all stem from a single, powerful idea. The secret lies not in intensity, but in consistency. Let me repeat. Consistency, not intensity. Doing one big thing once a week is far less effective than doing one small thing every day. Studying English for 5 minutes every day is more effective than taking a 2-hour lesson on Saturday. Why? Because your brain learns best with small, repeated inputs, forming stronger connections. Laziness tells you not to do difficult and demanding things. Listen to your laziness. It tells you to find a better way, a consistent way. Your laziness is not your enemy. It is your guide. It directs you to be more productive, to get the best results with the least effort. This is not laziness. This is intelligence. So be a smart, lazy student. You can watch this video again, listen to the sentences, get familiar with them, and feel comfortable. This was a great way to practice for 5 minutes. Small steps taken every day lead to big results. Thank you for watching. Keep going as always, and keep improving. If this video helped you, please click the like button and subscribe for more easy English tips, because when you subscribe, you support not only me, but yourself as well. I want you to know that I love you very much. I want to teach you English in a simple way, and I hope I can succeed. I have a lot of confidence in both you and myself in this endeavor. Listen to me and keep going. Don't think about anything. Just work a little bit every day.